What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Young K back with another video. And today we're doing a Miami Heat rebuild. And in this game they call them the Miami Cyclones, but it's the Heat. You'll know who's who, and if you don't, I'll explain. And let's get it right into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is most likely trade Goran Dragic, because Dragic's an alright player, but if we can get anything better, like I'm gonna try one player I really want to try getting for him. So, you know, um, it's gonna have to be 100% Devontae Graham. He's a better shooter. He can get assists, and I've seen him play a little bit of defense. So let's go Andre Iguodala. And they throw in Busy, Cody Zeller, and Khalil Whitney, Joe Chealy. Probably Jalen McDaniel. No. And 1, 2. Bam. And another one. Bam. Now that we got that trade out the way, we got some access things we can do. Just get some trades out. And I love Jochi. Where's he at? Where's he at? Did I not get him? Oh no, I love Khalil Whitney next to Precious and all them boys. It should be good. That was a good pickup for us. Come on, y'all try to trade me more. I'm just trying to get one. I'm just trying to get one. Bro, it's the same trade. No, how about I throw it a second? See what that would get us. Come on. Taco. We'll do taco. Trying to even out some math so I can at least get like 4 players off this team. I'm only throwing that second. I'm keeping my first. So we got 4 players to get rid of. So I think we're going to release. No. I definitely should trade him Lug. No, let's go trade him. Because I did this trade before in a draft offline. I mean, not in a video. Pretty sure it was for Hassan Whiteside, because Hassan was a solid center that we needed to pick up. But I think this video will do DeMarcus. So we'll throw in Maurice Harkless, Bismack, Grant Williams, and then hold on, maybe throw in Ben McLemore and Chris Clemens. Maybe Michael Frazier. And Kenyon Martin Jr. Caleb Martin. Casey Acapello. And this is what we want. So, easily a fair deal. Bam. Gonna have to release some players, but other than that, or we can do this. Hit the trading block. Maybe for just Carson Edwards, which I think in the future could be a good guard. Then we throw in. Let's throw Busy. Hold on, let's go to the trading block because we're gonna throw Busy Kenyon Martin Jr. No, actually, he's looking like a good Chris Silva and 2 first picks we got, and hopefully they'll give us something like that. Was nice. Just give me Maurice Harkless back, okay. Pretty sure Tyler Heroes. Alright, so it's the lineup we're running. We'll throw DeMarcus in the starting lineup. We got Duncan, Cody Zeller. I'm thinking we trade Miles Leonard, Avery, and Avery Bradley. Myers Leonard. No, let's go. Avery Bradley, Cody Zeller. Trade. Give me something now. Give me a nice little piece out here. How much would we have to make up? 25 mil. Kelly. Bam. I love it. Dang. Come on. There's got to be somebody with a nice little piece that we can take off their hands. How about we throw in Grant Williams? Somebody's going to want that. Let's see. Pretty nice team. I'll mess with it. And then I can trade Precious Achiuwa and Maurice Harkless. Let's throw them actual. Just throw in an actual trade. Maybe we can actually get something nice back for a change. Something nice come off the bench with the boys. Let's go Maurice, Kenyon Martin, Precious Achiuwa. Boom. How about Mere Coffee, Taco Fall. Come on, bro. I don't want to get up with Lil Will because, you know what? I love the team. No, fuck it. I love the team. Go to the playoffs. I'll come back, yo, when I get the lineup. Okay, this is the lineup we're going to run. And then the rest of these players, you know, they could just do what they freely will want to do. And I think I'll just move Taco, Khalil, and all these boys up here. All right, we're going to send them to the trade deadline after we do that. So the trade deadline. Let's see what the boys do. Ooh, first dub of the season. Okay, the bench is performing like it's supposed to. Okay, come on. I like seeing wins. Not losses. Come on. Everybody's doing good. Even the bench. Bench is almost averaging. Everybody on the bench is 10 points a game. Marcus Cousins doing what he needs to do. In real life, this would be a real championship team. You know what? 32-17. I see us making the playoffs, so we're just going to send right to it. Perfect. Light work. We got all our players healthy going into the finals. Oh my god. I said finals. I meant playoffs. We'll have Kendrick Nunn back soon, hopefully. Alright, so we won't have some more bench unit. But that's fine. Oh, this was a tough to ease this game. Alright, we'll go back game by game. We got 1, 2. Alright, we got 1. They got 3. We got 1. Come on. Come on, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. I will pause it at the end of every quarter. Pause. Okay. Let's do end of quarter. We're up. Next quarter. Still up. End of quarter. Still up. You know what? We're winning this. 1 minute. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And we won that game. Come on, we'll go. We got 1 more. All right, we'll send 1 day. We got 1 more. Okay, we're gonna send quarter by quarter. Stop. In the quarter, they're up. In the quarter, we're up. In the quarter, we're up. Okay, minute by minute. Come on, guys. 6 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh, it's a close one. 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, come on. What the freak? Yo. What the fuck, bro? Damn. Sent through the playoffs. Oh, dang. Oh, we got Chris Paul with 6 men of the year. But thank you for watching another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And it's your boy, Young K. Out.